Anthropic's Claude Code almost destroys the OpenClaw. From the OpenClaw app on your phone, you can handle your MacBook. It can read files. It can perform certain action on particular apps. It can browse by opening Chrome or something like that. It can also perform by opening the developer tools such as VS Code, Cursor, ChatGPT, and take certain actions on the top of that. So basically, it handles everything remotely. So using those two apps, one is the Cloud app on your iPhone, and one is the Cloud Desktop app on your MacBook. So those things you need to install on those two separate machines. And in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can configure those things. So let's get started. All right. So first of all, on your machine, you need to have the Cloud Desktop up and running, which looks something like this one. To download this one, what you have to do, you have to go to cloud.com download and download the Claude for your MacBook. Hit enter and then just do next, and it will download and it will look something like this. Then you have to log in to the Claude Code and it will give you three options: one chat, one coworker, and the code. So the coworker and the code, only those two options or the feature has a feature called Claude Dispatch, which is nothing but this one. On the left hand side, I have my mobile device up and running. So let me quickly open that one. And as you can see, I already opened the Claude app on the left hand side. So if I go over here and click dispatch, it will ask us saying that, hey, glad you are here. Tell me what's on your plate. No ask is too big or small. You could ask me anything. So basically it is saying that what action we can perform. But how do we connect those two things together? So on the desktop app, what you have to do, you have to select the dispatch over here and then keep awake, make sure to toggle this button and enable computer use. You need to open the setting. And over here, you have to have that allow all browser action, this one, so that it will go and open the browser and perform certain action. You must need to enable this one, which is computer use. Just enable that. Once you enable that, it will be giving certain action that it will be undone. That's fine. But the thing is that we need to turn it on. Once we turn it on, we can go to Cowork or we can come back over here. Now, if I go to the dispatch, click this one, dispatch. Now it is looking for the connection, which is telling that whether it is connected or not. So let me go on dispatch now and let's see what we will get. So let me quickly close this. Now, if I go and click dispatch and see that work with Cloud right on your computer. So let me quickly close this one, open the Cloud one more time on the mobile app, which is this one. So I'll go here and click dispatch. So it is looking for the desktop, which is telling that whether it is connected or not. So it is saying that it is somewhat connected. So let me quickly ask question telling that, can you find how many CVs are there in the download folder? So basically, before going there, let me show you that what we got inside the Finder download apps. So I got these many over here. So let me quickly go here and on my mobile app and let me hit it and let's see what we will get. So it is trying to connect to my Finder folder and trying to get that download folder and try to read those kind of stuff there. So moment of truth. Now basically first time over here, as you can see, it is telling that how Claude Code to Cowork in downloads folder. So first time you have to give the instruction. That's fine. I'm going to give the instruction there. So it is telling me that you want to allow that one to access the download folder. That's fine. So now again, it is giving me some actions over here to perform. Yes, allow once. That's fine. So basically it is going and trying to read the content from download folder. Basically, I am not scripted this video or I don't script any video. I give the complete videos unscripted so that you will see the authenticity and all the problems which I'm facing straight away. So as you can see, it has created those many CVs over here, which is fine. I got those many CVs, so that's really good. So one of the examples to read files from the download folder. Now, second thing, what I'll be telling is that, can you open a browser, search trending topic on Google Trends about Claude Code, something like that. Let's say, moment of truth. Can you open a new browser and open a new tab, go to Google Trends and search a keyword called OpenClaw or I don't know, Claude Code. All right, let me go and hit it and let's see what we will get. It might ask me some permission to first time allow my PC to work around, but let's see how it goes. It has opened the new tab and navigated to the Google Trends and everything. And moment of truth, let me go back and check. Yes, it has opened this one and it went through the Google Trends and searched that Google Claude there. over there. And let me ask a different question on the top of that, and let's see whether it will answer or not. Can you search that which continent is searching more about Claude Code, or who are more interested in that keyword called Claude Code tutorials or something like that? So I hit enter. So let me check. Let me see. Now it is going and configuring all sort of stuff directly from the browser. I'm not sure what it is doing up there. Might be searching something like that. So it is telling that it has Claude started debugging this browser, which is fine. Now everything is being configured or answered over here. So basically it is going and checking what sort of stuff we have. All right, let me check. Now see, it has changed this one to Claude Code tutorial. Last time it was searching with Claude Code only, right? So it has changed this one. Now it has found those many stuff, and these are the topics, trending topics and everything, but I wanted to have continent. Amazing. So it has given me these lists, which is something like this. And in Singapore, those kind of stuff, it being searched there directly. Claude Code tutorial will be searched. Asia dominates by a huge margin, everything. So this is like Claude Code is being searched from everywhere. First thing. Second thing is that how we configure much more faster. Let's ask different question. Can you open YouTube and search how to install Claude Code on Windows? All right, it went through there. Now, if I keep this open, now it should open a new tab. Yes, it did over here. Now it will go over here. See, it has searched this query, YouTube Claude Code. I'm not doing anything. And it has searched all sorts of stuff over here, saying that how to install Claude Code on Windows, which is fine. See, moment of truth, everything is being handled by the Claude Code. Now, what I will be doing is that I'll be start creating automation on the top of this. So it is giving me these kind of stuff. So I will try creating the automation template, the AI automation templates, which will help us to earn passive income with this feature. And we'll see that how to earn passive income, how to get or earn real money using the Claude Code, specifically this Claude Dispatch feature. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and hit that like button, because I'll be creating a list of videos, something called Claude Code tutorial playlist, which you can find over here on my channel. And then from there, we'll go and step by step. All the links will be in the description below or the first comment in the comment section box. If you have any question, do let me know. I'm ready to help you out. Thanks for watching. See you around. Bye bye.